What is always coming but never arrives? Let's see how smart I am. So hi guys, how are you doing? My name is Carol and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly make sure you subscribe, you like, and always leave a comment at the end of the video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming to watch the amazing content that you always do for you right here on this channel, because yeah, it's always good vibes. And inshallah, if you're here to subscribe, kindly make sure you leave that subscription, and always you are welcomed each and every time to this channel. So today we are going to do an amazing video of us to see how smart I am. And guys, I want to remind you again, kindly like the video and watch the video from the start to the end so that you can know what the video is all about. And don't forget to leave a comment at the end of the video. So guys, today we are going to see how smart I am. Yes, I don't know how smart I am. You also don't know how smart I am or how smart you are, but today we are going to find out. Let's find out how smart I am. And you can also find out how smart you are by also asking yourself the questions that I'll be asking myself today and getting your answers. So I have some questions here that are going to determine how smart I am. The questions, they have answers, but first I'm going to say my answer, then we're going to see the correct answer. Okay, are we together? We are together. Let's go to the first question. So the first question is, what is always coming and never arrives? It's always coming but it never arrives. What about air? Air is always coming, it arrives. Yes, it arrives. Ooh. What is always coming but never arrives? I think it's hair. What do you think? What do you think always coming and it never arrives? I think it's hair because we don't see it. What do you think? Me, that's my final answer. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Ooh. So we are wrong. The answer is tomorrow. Have you ever heard of the saying, tomorrow never comes? Well, now you know. But it's true. Tomorrow. When we say tomorrow, tomorrow is on Saturday. On Saturday we say tomorrow. Tomorrow Sunday. So it's tomorrow. By the way, it's true. Tomorrow never comes. Never. It's coming but never arrives. And there's this thing that says no, tomorrow never comes. So the answer for what is always coming but never arrives, it's tomorrow. We are wrong. The next question. What goes up and down but always remains in the same place? What goes up and down but always remains in the same place? It goes up, it goes down, but it remains in the same place. Stairs. Yes, stairs. Stairs, you can go up using them and you can go down using them, but they will remain in the same place. That's my answer. My answer is stairs. Let's see the answer. So I'm going to tap the button for answer. We see the answer is stairs. Yay! At least we have one. The answer is stairs. Stairs, you can go through them up and go through them down, but they remains there. So at least now you have one. The answer is stairs. The next question. What is that goes up and never comes down? Oh, so the previous question was what goes up and down but remains same place. Because that's stairs. The next question is, what is that goes up and never comes back? Okay, it goes up and it never comes down. Is that the question? Yes, it never comes down. What about smoke? Smoke, when it goes up, does it come down? Yes, it comes down in form of rain. Is it rain? I don't know. What goes up and never comes down? Smoke? I don't know. Let's see the answer. The answer is age. Oh God, it's true. Age goes up, it never comes down. So the right answer is age. Our age always increase by numbers, but never decrease. Oh God. Next question. What has a head and a tail, but has no body? Oh God. It has a head, it has a tail, but no body. Okay. It has a head and a tail, but it has no body. A coin? Coin, like a coin, it has a head and a tail, but there's body. There's no body. What about a coin, guys? I don't know. Let's see the answer. Hey, these questions are tricky. So the correct answer is a coin. Yeah! We've got it, we've got it, we've got it, we've got it. Yes, the correct answer is coin. Oh God. The next question is, what is that lives if fed but dies if you give it a drink? Wait, it lives if fed but dies if you give it a drink. You can't say humans because we don't die when given a drink. What about fish? When you take it from water, it dies. Fish, when you take it from water, it I don't know, I have no idea. So the correct answer is fire. Fire, when it's fed, it lives. Or when you add things in the fire, it blows up. But when you pour water into it, it dies. Okay, think about it logically. The next question is, what breaks and never falls, and what falls and never breaks? Oh God. What breaks and never falls, and what falls and never breaks? I have no idea. Like now, even I don't have something to guess there. Let's just see the answer. Sina hata kitu ya guess. Answer for what breaks and never falls is daybreak. Yes, it breaks and never falls. And what falls and never breaks is nightfall. Well, okay. Think it logically. The next question. What can one catch that is not thrown? You can catch it, but you can't throw it. Air. When you catch air, but you can't throw it, you can't catch air. Anyone? Any guess? So the answer is a cold. True. True. Okay. M is the father of N. M for money is the father of N for nose. However, N is not the son of M. How is that possible? Ngoja. M is the father of N. Are you getting? M is the father of N. N is not, however, N is not the son of M. How is that possible? There is M, there is N. M is the father of N. M is the father of N. And N is not the son of M. Because N is a daughter. N is the daughter of the daughter, yeah. Kama ni father yake, meaning ni daughter because he's not the son. So N is ni daughter. I have no idea. So the correct answer is, this is possible because N is the daughter. We did it. We got it. We got that one. Yes. This is possible because N is the daughter instead. Okay. We got that one. Okay, the next question. If it took 7 men 8 hours to construct a wall. So 8 men, they took 7 men, they took 8 hours to construct a wall. How long would it take 9 men to build it? Goja. So 7 men, they took 8 hours. What about 9 men? If 7 men took 8 hours, what about 9 men? You cross multiply. I don't know. But I remember in school we are if this took this, what about this one? Me, I have no idea. In high school we were cross multiplying. Okay, let's see the answer. The answer is it will take no time at all as the wall is already built. Surely. So the wall is already built by the 7 men. So the 9 men, it will not take any time because the wall is built. I didn't expect that. What about the close multiplication, the one we are being taught at high school? Does it apply here? I don't know. The next question. So far we have 2 out of 10. 8 wrong, 2 correct. How smart I am. How smart I am. Okay. An airplane crashed and every single person on the board perished. 2 people, however, survived. How is this possible? Hi, ngoja. An airplane crashed. And every single person on board perished. Every single person on board perished. 2 people, however, survived. How is that possible? So if 4 single, they perished. 2 people survived. Does it make sense to you guys? Me, I have no. Even I don't have anything to guess here. How did they survive, those 2 people? Any idea? No idea. Let's see the answer. So the answer is, the keyword here is single survivors. Oh God. So listen to the question again. An airplane crashed and every single person on board, single person. 2 people, however, survived because they were married. Single is the keyword here. So the single people died, but 2 survived. Why? Because they were married. These questions are so tricky. Okay, next question. How many times can you subtract 10 from 200? How many times can you subtract 10 from 200? So it's 10 minus 200. 10, 20 times. Sure. So you just take 200 and divide by 10. My answer is 20. Let's see what the answer is. At just once. The answer is just once. The next time you do that, you'll be subtracting it from 190. Sure. So the thing they are saying, when you subtract 10 from 200, you remain with 190. So the next time you are going to subtract it, you'll be subtracting it from 190, which is impossible because it's not 200. So you just be subtracting it only once from 200. How is that possible? Okay. We are wrong again. But we don't give up. We don't give up. Okay. We don't give we don't give up. The next question is, if a backyard is 50 feet long and 20 feet wide, how many square feet is the yard? So it's 50 feet long and 20 feet wide. How many square feet? The area ilikuanga length times width. So it is 20 times 50, which is 5 times 2 times 5 is 10 plus 2 zeros, 1,000. The answer is 1,000. Yay! So the maths we are doing in high school, it applies sometimes because that's the answer. Okay. The next question. On the periodic table, which element is represented by letter A? Periodic table, letter A. Nitrogen? The answer is nitrogen. Yay! I'm so happy. How many feet are there in 75 yards? I have no idea. Convert 75 yards in feet. Me, I don't know. Let's see the answer. So the answer is 225 feet. I didn't know. The answer is 225. Okay. In what month do Americans go trick or treating? In what month do Americans go trick or treating? Okay, I don't want to lie. Me, I don't know. October. How October is my birthday month. October is my favorite month in the whole year. In the whole year, October is my best month. Yes, it's my birthday month. I love October. What gas do humans need in order to live? Oxygen. Let's see the answer. The answer is oxygen. Yay! Yes, we need oxygen to survive. What is the hardest mineral? Hardest mineral. Diamond. I don't know what is the hardest. Let's see the answer. So the answer is diamond. You are correct. You are correct. So the answer is diamond. Diamond is the hardest mineral. What does a paleontologist study? Paleontologist. What does a paleontologist study? No idea. That's in the answer. I don't have any idea what does a paleontologist study. The answer is fossils. Surely. Fossils is the answer. I didn't know. Fossils. Surely. Okay. Who invented the light bulb? Oh God. Who invented the light bulb? Those bulbs that we use at home. Who invented them? I have no even a name to guess. I don't have. I don't know. Ooh, the answer is Thomas Edison. I left those things in school. I don't know. How much is 14 times 5? 14 times 5. 14 times 2 is 28. 14 times 4 is 56. 56 plus 14 is, that is 60, 70. Yay! The answer is 70. Yes, the answer is 70. 14 times 5. Okay. The Tropic of Capricorn lies in which hemisphere? Goja. There was Tropic of Capricorn, Cancer, and the other one was God of Israel. I don't know. The answer is Southern Hemisphere. So the Tropic of Capricorn lies in Southern Hemisphere. Oh God. These questions are so hard. What is the plural form of the word deer? Deer for animal. Does it have a plural? Deers. I've never had something like deers. So I think it doesn't. I don't know. Let's see the answer. The answer is deer. Yes, deer. It doesn't have plural. There's no deers. It's deer. I've seen 100 deer in the farm. Not deers, deer. How many inches are in a foot? Hey, I don't know. Like last one, I don't know. How many inches are there in a foot, guys? So the answer is 12. An inch has 12. A foot has 12 inches. Yeah, so how many inches are there in a foot? The answer is supposed to be 12. So, how many adjectives are in these sentences? Guys, do you remember adjectives, verbs, pronouns, nouns? Do you remember those things? Here is the question. Then, if you remember, then be ready to help me. How many adjectives are there in this sentence? Billy made a rude noise in class. God, I don't. What was adjectives? What is an adjective? Adjective is a word that stands in for a noun. Is it true? Adjective stands for noun or for a verb? Not verb, noun. I have no idea. The answer is 1, which is, I don't know. Guys, tell me, what is an adjective? I think it's either stands for a noun. I don't know. Like, I'm just guessing. I don't know. What landmass on Earth is known as the island continent? Like, it's surrounded by all water. What about when we say Africa? Africa is surrounded by Indian Ocean. The other side, I don't know. Let's see the answer. Do you know? I don't know. The answer is Australia. Oh God. So Australia is the island continent. It has so many islands. What about Africa? Africa has so many islands. So the answer is Australia, not Africa. Yeah, I'm saying it's Africa. Oh. The next one is between 1 and 100. How many multiples of 7 are odd numbers? Multiple of 7. Do you remember multiple numbers? I don't remember. I know there was something that we used to learn in high school which was called multiple numbers. What about? Okay, I forgot. The answer is 7. I don't know even the multiple numbers in 1 and 100. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you know. Kindly tell us. Oi! Because yeah, things are not going on well. Okay. What is the smallest fish in the world? Who knows the smallest fish in the world? The smallest fish is very small in the whole world. The answer is dwarf minnow. We have never heard of such a word. Guys, have you ever heard the smallest fish in the world? It's called dwarf minnow. You can check in the Google and let me know if you've ever heard of such a fish. Next question. How many inches are there in 2 yards? We've said an inch has 12. No, a yard has 12 inches. How many inches are there in 2 yards? Also, what about 224? The answer is 70. Oh, 72. How? I don't know. Guys, what do you think? How many inches are there in 2 yards? What is the capital city of New York? How comes I don't know capital city of New York? Albany. Are you sure? Guys, what's the capital city of New York? Capital city of New York, how is it Albany? Hey, I don't know. But they are saying it's Albany. I'll go and look capital city of New York after this. What is the body of water between Florida and Texas? Florida and Texas. It's what? Florida and Texas. The answer is Gulf of Mexico. Oh God. So the Gulf of Mexico is the body of water between Florida and Texas. What are the 3 states of matter? That one I know. States of matter. They are 3 states of matter. They are 3: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, liquid, and gas. At least I know those ones. Let's see the answer. Maybe. Yes, the correct answer is solid, liquid, and gas. So the 3 states of matter, they are solid, liquid, and gas. Next question. What country has the longest border with the United States? Habaki imeanza kuturamba. What country has the longest border with the United States ama US? What about we say Mexico? Mexico. Mexico. Is it called Mexico? Or is it Mexico? So the answer is Canada. Imagine. Canada is the country that has the longest border with the United States or the US. So the correct answer is Canada. Next question is, how many times does 7 divide 49? I think 49 is the square root of 7. Or the 7 is square root of 7 is 49. I don't know, but that is the truth. So 7 divide by 49, the answer is supposed to be 7 because 7 times 7 is 49. Yes, and the answer is 7. Yeah! At least we know that. Okay, the next one is, which planet in our solar system is known for its beautiful rings? That one I know. A planet that has a ring. It's called Saturn. Yes, Saturn it has a ring. That one I remember very well. Very well. Yes. The others I didn't have a clue, but this one I know. For once, a miracle. So the answer is Saturn. Hey, we got that one. How many zeros are there in 1 million? 1 million 6. Yes. A million has 6 zeros. Yes, and the answer is 6. We did it. True or false? The kangaroo is a marsupial. True. The answer is true. Next one. The ancient Egyptian empire was based on what continent? This is very simple. Egyptia is coming from the country Egypt. Egypt is in Africa. So Africa is a continent. So which continent? Africa. And the answer is Africa. So we are right. We are correct. The answer is Africa. What whole number is closest to the square root of 65? 64 is the square root of 8. Yes, and the answer is 8. Hey, I'm sharp. Well, how can you rate my? Am I smart? Rate me out of 10. What do you think? If a car is traveling at 40, this one requires mathematics. Let's just go to the next question, because now we don't have a pen and a place to do the calculations of if it's going for 1 kilometers per hour. How will it take going? I don't know, but that one leave it there because we don't have a paper in a book to do the calculations. Calculations. Okay, which continent is least populated? Least populated continent. Australia, no. Africa, no. Okay, I don't know. Let's see the answer. Antarctica. So Antarctica is the continent which is least populated. Okay, the next question. Since the late 1930s, what calendar date has been designed for the inauguration of United States president? I don't even have something to guess. I don't know. Like, the answer is January 20th. God, I didn't know that. Okay, what was the name of the first satellite pulled into orbit by the United States? Do you remember the orbit? The path that is followed by the Earth when it's... Do you remember the orbit? What was the name of the first satellite that pulled into orbit by the United States? The answer is Explore. I don't know. I have no idea. What type of animal can live on both water and land? That one I know. It can live on both water and land, and it can also survive in both water and land. And the answer is amphibians. Clap for me. Yes, I know. I know at least. At least. So the answer is amphibians. How many sides does hexagon have? Pentagon, hexagon. 6. Does hexagon have 6 sides? I don't know. Yes, 6. Hexa 6. I have got that one. Don't see me like this, by the way. Don't see me like this. At least I know some questions. If you need a half cup of flour and you have a quarter measuring cup, you need a half cup of flour and you only have a quarter measuring cup. How many times do you need to use it to get the right amount of flour? It's just 2 times, because 2 quarters, that's half. Then 4 quarters, that's a full kg or a full something. I don't know. But the answer is 2 times. Yay! We got that one. The interior angles of a triangle always sum up to, that one I know, 180. The interior angles of a triangle, they sum up to 180. Do you know how I feel when I get a question that I know the answer? I feel good. Yes. So the answer is 180 degrees. What was the most widely grown crops in the Middle colonies? Maize. The answer is wheat. Oh God, so they were planting wheat. I thought they were planting maize. Okay. What force pulls object towards Earth and keeps humans from floating the sky? Gravity. And the answer is gravity. Yes. The answer is gravity. How many countries are in Africa? 52. But there was addition of South Sudan. How many countries are there in Africa, guys? Who knows? Okay, I don't think I have something that I can guess. Oh, 54. The answer is 54. So Africa has 54 countries. Okay, we were told there are 52, but Sudan, it is split into 2 countries. I don't know the other one, but they are saying the answer is 54. I don't know. How many syllables are there in the word creation? Syllables. 4. Creation. They are saying the answer is 3. It's creation. I don't know. Tell me what the syllables can you find in the word creation? The Statue of Liberty was a gift to the US from where? Canada. The answer is France. Oh God. What do you call a scientist who studies rock? Okay, this one I knew. Like I knew this one. But now I don't know. Also, let's just see that. The answer is geologist. Woo! The person who studies rocks is called geologist. Me never knew. I forgot. I knew, but now I don't know. But now I know. But before, I didn't know. The next question is, what is the largest and deepest ocean in the world? This one I know. Pacific Ocean. Yes, the largest and deepest ocean in the world, that is, it's Pacific Ocean. True or false? The platypus is a mammal. Yes. It's called dark-pilled platypus. It's a mammal. Yes, that one I know. At least. Don't see me like this. Some of them I know them. Who was the 16th president of United States? And I don't know. 16th president of the United States. Let's just go and see the answer because I have no idea. So the answer is Abraham Lincoln. That one I never knew. Next question is, what is the most abundant element in the universe? Elements. I don't know. The answer is hydrogen. Hydrogen is the most abundant element. Okay. Let me know, what do you think? They are saying the answer is hydrogen. Okay. How many teaspoons are in 5 teaspoons? Teaspoons are in 5. It's in 5 too. The answer is in 15. How comes 15? I don't know. I also don't know, like you. And I'm asking myself the question that you're also asking yourself. Okay. How many faces are there in a cube? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. Yes, and the answer is 6. The last question is, what color in the visible light spectrum does chlorophyll absorb the least? That one I know. Chlorophyll is green. Yes, and those are the questions, guys. Now, rate me out of 10. How smart I am out of 10 according to you. You've been with me from the start to this time, me answering those questions so that you can tell me how smart I am in a scale of 1 to 10. Let me know. What do you think? How smart I am in a scale of 1 to 10? Let me know in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching up to this time. We meet in the next video, and always like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you for being true, and thank you. Let's meet in the next video.